Okay, we are back again on a new video reaction. Thank you so much for your time and thank you for joining me. Thank you for all your support on this platform. Please, my brothers and sisters, don't forget to like the video. We are going to go through this because we are going to punch some things. We are going to use our pin to burst their bubbles and the lies they have formed, pretending that they are pregnant when they only have balloon on hiding it in their stomach, thinking to deceive people that they are pregnant, about to deliver good news, but they have nothing to offer. Why? Listen to this. I just want to share this with you, and they are now coming out to do their nonsense propaganda and all that. This guy called an uncle named Chike is another Efulefu. He said IPOB real IPOB DS he attacked this to their group. He said has always been where autopilot thought they were going. Look at believe. And why? He now screenshot this news because this is what is trending somehow today about the White House Chief of Staff is this lady called Susie, that she have worked with MNK as lobby, okay, back then in 2019, and DOS and Achikota Ekwonu group lying to their bone marrow, always want to say something but end up exposing themselves. Yes, Sada reporter have the news, of course, that this lady happened to be one of the lobby to MNK back then in 2019, and they are now flying it everywhere. This is to tell you that they understand what Biafran government in Nigeria is doing, even though they are condemning it, but this is what they wish to be doing, but they don't have what it takes. And something that they use, to brag, seeing that thing that this person they consider to be their enemy is doing it, they can't stand it at all. Now he said, the scripture says, how Donald Trump's new chief of staff, Susie Wise, worked for IPOB movement in 2019 through her lobbying firm. Okay, now this lady, according to what the report that says that she's not or that she don't like showing herself in public and all that, but whether this lady work with MNK or not, I'm not here to tell you that it's a lie. I don't know. Okay, but let us assume that she worked with MNK, that she is one of the, maybe she provided a lobby that MNK was working with, or that she is part of the lobby and what have you. The question is, and so what? Because that is what MNK did in 2019. Then in 2020, COVID started. Okay, so, sorry that I mentioned I'm not supposed to mention the word, but because of the platform. So when I say C19, you understand what I'm talking about. Now, the lady worked with MNK according to the report. Like I said, I don't know. The question is, after that, what happened? MNK was kidnapped 2021. And since that 2021 until this day, why is it that DOS and people like this Efulefu is distant themselves from this lady? Since do you are aware that MNK was working with her? Then after the MNK disappearance, why or what have you people done with this lady? Probably because MNK started working with her, it could be the reason why they sold him out. And they are now using it to tell you that as if they were doing something. 2021, 22, 23, 24, this is 3 years, almost 4 years, right? Since then, we have not seen or hear any peking from you guys. And today, he because he's very, very senseless, he actually attached the lobby, one of the lobby from Biafran government is currently working seriously to bring Biafra, to the limelight, that everybody are now talking about Biafra. When MNK was working with the lady you guys claimed, we don't even see or know. It is now, despite that we follow MNK very closely, it is now that I even know her name. But I knew the name of this guy, this man here, the current lobby for Biafran government in Ezra, Elias. And we have seen him taking picture, going, hosting meeting, live videos. Like I said, each time we want to talk about these people, it sounds like we are trying to indict Master and some certain things. But maybe that's what they want. But if dancing in public will be the best way to save our people brain to understand who is talking to them. Why not? Now, let me bring to you other things, because for you to understand that even people who are not part of anything that they are doing are, connecting the dots. But before I point the main thing here, I want you to go through. Of course, we cannot talk about propaganda without mentioning Emeka Gift. He is the architect of it all. I rank Methuselah and Biafran Child as one of the most, I don't want to use the word so they're not gonna say that I'm insulting anybody. I am a very, very polite human being. You understand? If you know, you know. But I have to call it what it is. The most senseless or dumbest. I wanted to say stupid. Should I use it? Okay, don't mind me. So Emeka Gift come third, but it's like he's dragging position with Methuselah now. I mean, with who is more, brainless. Why do I say so? You cannot see any propaganda now that doesn't make any sense without mentioning Emeka Gift. His own is becoming worse. I was thinking that Methuselah was holding the flag. Of course, Biafran Child, the other guy that call himself Biafran Child, that one is Emeritus Iberibe. That one is retired. Like, we have Bishop. If you're a Catholic, you know what I'm talking about. You have Reverend Father, okay, Seminarian, Reverend Father, and Bishop. Then you have Cardinal before Pope. So Biafran Child is in level of Cardinal in terms of stupidity. The Cardinal, his own stupidity is trying to hit the main point. But the Pope of them all are those ones that don't know why they are doing the propaganda. Their own is to just they send them reports. Go and say this, they will say it and close their video. Those ones are Pope in terms of stupidity. But after the rank, next rank is where Biafran Child fall. Before you now see Methuselah and the Emeka Gift trying to drag position now, because the Emeka Gift is now one of the, my goodness, his own is getting worse. I don't want to read all this nonsense. I will just read a few of them. Details: Susie Y cooperation with IPOB through Mercury firm years ago, and current anticipations. Anticipation on what? It has been revealed that Miss Susie Y, U.S. President-elect Donald Trump, newly appointed chief of staff, you want to use this to exonerate here, to promote and build her profile, which is, I'm not attacking her. What I'm saying is that we know who she is, so go straight to the point. Work with indigenous people of Biafra movement in 2019 through her lobby firm. The news comes on the heels of Trump's victory in 2024 presidential election, where Y led a crucial role as his campaign manager. According to a report, Y firm Mercury Public Affairs was hired by IPOB in 2019 to lobby the U.S. Congress and State Department on promoting human rights and democracy in Nigeria. Oh, I told you that these people are just. Do you hear what this guy said? That IPOB hired this woman just to promote human rights and democracy in Nigeria. The contract valued at 85,000 per month, aimed at influencing U.S. foreign policy positively towards the Biafran cause for self-determination. So, promoting human rights and democracy in Nigeria, not to get Biafra. Not to get Biafra. So, these people are trying to tell us that even Master Kano is somehow promoting Nigeria and human rights in Nigeria. That's better governance in Nigeria. Okay, okay. Two things are involved with this post. Is either that Mastercard that we thought that we know have secret agenda and secret meeting, which I doubt, heavily. I doubt is not true, and I can bet anything on that. It's not true. I'm just saying it so that you understand the mindset of these people. But judging by the work of these lobbies, they claim they paid $85,000 per month. Can we point anything they have worked for us, for Biafran, for anything at all that worked very, very well? The answer is no. That could be the reason why we are not seeing pictures of videos like we are seeing now from different government in Israel that have mapped out their roadmap and their determination and what they want, and are working towards that with the help of lobbies they have. So these are the things we need to connect the dot, because I always say, remember what I told you before, that each time we want to expose or to go through to analyze what people are saying and what they're doing, somehow the dust maybe somehow maybe touching my some kind of small, which is not intentional at all, because I have many other things I would have said here, but for the fact that I'm still holding firm that Mazon is not what these people are painting him to be at the moment, as if we don't know Mazon before. I mean, you can't convince me. The only thing that I'm waiting for is Mazon to be released. Then we know what his first statement and his stand we defined. To me, I'm speaking for myself, not for Biafran, please. Don't misunderstand me. Don't everybody have their own right to think. This is my own opinion. I believe that Mazogano's stand and what he said after they released him will define all his work since 2012 till when they kidnap him. So fingers, let us cross our fingers and see what I don't want to say much about it. Let's just hold on, because this is getting interesting. But to expose the lies and to build more trust and benefit of doubt that all these things they are trying to do is to slander Maznamankan names and to discredit him, to make people to turn away from him. This is someone that this post we have seen now is from Sarah Reporter, shared by Joseph Okechukwu, popular Nollywood star. Most of you are following him on X. He's a Biafran, but he's not saying anything about Biafran yet, just like many of them, because of what happened to Prince SP Darlington, not to happen to any of them. So everybody is panicking, and our own is to report. We are not participating in anything, are we? No, right? Now, Joseph Okechukwu said, Igbo audience, unu awona ngwo na nko na abia. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Igbo audience, unu awona ngwo na nko na abia. That is Igbo adage, meaning that you should not worry. Don't rejoice with this wine. The main wine is on the way. Don't fill your stomach with this wine. Relax. The main wine is coming. That is what you think that this one makes you happy. The main thing that will give you happiness is on the way. And why did he say this? Okechukwu is one of the persons that I respect in terms of when it comes to researching. Do you understand? He is very good at that. Sometimes he politicizes it. I'm not saying that he's best of best. You understand what I'm saying? But be it as it may, we understand that for him to say this thing simply means that he has seen the green light at the end of the tunnel. And who is lighting this light that he's seen at the end of the tunnel? Biafra government in exile. Every educated, every smart, every unbiased human being, whether Biafran or not Biafran, understand that the game, the movement, the thought, the plans have somehow changed. Like what Emeka Gift is trying to tell you, that when when Oyendo Mazamanagano hired the lobby that this woman called Susie White was, I think, the owner of the lobby firm, that the agreement was for her to go out to lobby U.S. congressmen and the Department of these government officials in U.S. to make sure to promote, the human rights in Nigeria and democracy in Nigeria. Nothing like Biafra, nothing like freedom, nothing like help us to tell them why we're the marginalization and the intention of Biafra. Instead, nothing. So Emeka gives to ruled it out in his post to tell you that when people say that, when you hear people calling them IPB one Nigerian agitator and all that, the reason why they are not angry when you call them that is because that is what they are. Do you understand? And they understand that people are aware of it and they are proud of it. That's why they rush to create political party. And when people react to that, they now run back and tell you, no, it's not for us. It's for who? Radio's FM station in Nigeria was busy promoting, advertising your political party, newly formed political party, which you guys have been calling for years. When you said you cannot get Biafra without politicians, that is you telling us that we need to be more politicians. We need to, keen in politics than fighting for freedom. I hope you are following what I'm saying, because you are like what Biafran said in the comment section, before in one of the videos that I posted. He said, you think that everybody that are listening or reading, listen to news about Biafrans are illiterate. You guys are technically insulting everybody and thinking that you are making sense. It doesn't work that way. We understand who we are and what we want. Now, they did not end there. I know that because I just wanted to see what Okechukwu said and connect for you to know that people actually know what is coming. What if you think that Biafran government in Israel are irrelevant, they are nuisance like this? Okechukwu wouldn't have said what he said here, because there's no other group that is going to bring that unko that he's talking about. Ungo, it simply means the lower brand of palm wine, okay, or wine, local wine in Africa, in Africa. So ungo is the lower, grade, or you can say lower brand. So unko, the one that comes from palm tree. Ungo is another species of palm tree. I don't know what you call that in English language, but if you're an Igbo person, you understand what I'm saying. And Okechukwu understand this adage can only be used when you're expecting the bigger news. We are all Igbos. We know what I'm talking about. So I'm sorry if you're not, but try to understand what I'm saying. Or you can ask any Igbo person around you. Ask any Igbo person around you to explain this to you, because it is well-known adage in Igbo land. Now, I want to share this also before we end the program. I talked about what this guy said before, but I forgot to mention something, because let us read it again. IPOB DOS has always been where autopilot thought they were going. It simply means these are people that are telling you that they are not doing anything. No, you are just trying to commit this and commit that, but they know that you are going somewhere. Just know that in your mind. They know, but that's why they're attacking you. You understand? Now let's go to other things, because I have other things to share with you before the end of this broadcast. Now I want you to listen to this lady.
That is the transmitter was.
Wait, listen to her. Listen.
Use it to blackmail us. We have the evidence to counter you, because we have had it from our supreme leader in several occasions. Now, in order to twist the mind, to take the minds of Biafra away, to start to ask questions, how come the thing becomes so fast? Do you know how long IPOB have stayed now?
He is talking about the transmitter. Why is it so fast that PM were able to build radio station that took them years to have one, to get one transmitter? But in a space of a few months or just a year, if I'm not mistaken, PM were able to accomplish all those things that they struggle hard to achieve for years. And now, this is not to tell you that Matokano were not doing anything. No, it's to confirm to you that Matokano was, dealing with a lot of bad people.
IPOB have been agitating for the past 15 years. They say they complain today, say transmitter never reach it. And there are some transmitter where even the zoological government go they bust for people house. So now, how they in a twinkle of eyes get a transmitter, do this one, do that one, set up a radio, do that one. How come? Does it mean say they buy the transmitter, come ship and go Nigeria? Then Geological Republic government not see am, or those saboteurs dem wey sabotage our leader own for that place for the Geological Republic, because most of the people wey dey accuse now dem dey for diaspora, but people wey sabotage the transmitter of our supreme leader IPOB wey dey carry go Nigeria that time dem dey for Nigeria. Does it mean say those people people go fit sabotage am for that place?
The mistake that you are making is because the people that sabotage it are in abroad, not in Nigeria. The one in Nigeria, you know, they take instruction from those in abroad. And why they're unable to sabotage the one that PM and Biafra government in Israel are doing now is because those one in abroad are not in Biafra government in Israel. Do you understand it? So once you cut off the one in abroad, poison the one in the homeland, those ones will be, you know, handicapped in terms of carrying out the sabotage. Anyway, this is not the reason why I played her video. Why I played her video is this video that you're about. So after trying to figure out why they were unable to achieve what they're supposed to achieve all this while, the same girl or the same lady is here. This is how they get Biafra. By carrying Biafran flag in the street and walk around like a hopeless individual. After that, what next? Nothing. Look at it. Look at it. And guess who shared this? Emeka gift. Like I told you, any propaganda that is meaningless, he will be in front line. He said, Efe is flying Biafran color all over the world, creating awareness all over the world. Someone that don't have a visa to US, not even Canada. Flying all over the world. Yeah, but my followers don't like it. Who told you? People like it, but the problem is that you guys end here. Your own is to dress, you know, wear your attire, come out in the streets of Europe and come out in the streets of Europe and, you know, fly Biafran flag, holding it and taking pictures and doing, you know, catching fun. Nothing more. After that, what next? You go back and start paying that mad, pay your attention or focus on how to, you know, organize fundraising, probably from zonal meeting, from coordinators, and rank yourself with the high, you know, different kind of position, drag powers and all that, and build cabal. Nothing more. He said Ekpa followers don't like it. They want to see Ekpa in his one room dancing. One room. The room that we always see him in is not one room. It's a very big mansion. And not only that one room. You guys went to his base in Finland to protest. After protesting, what next? You came back in shame. Like Mazakan always said that fight against your own people in name of making Fulani feel happy. You come back in shame. And that's what we have been doing. Do you think FFA is doing a great job? That's not a job. This is a catching fun. How can, if nations get Biafran by this, that means every woman and we were independent and their own president. It's not to design flag and carry it around. That's not the issue. You have done that, according to FFA, that you have done that for more than 15 years. As the time she made the video, which that video may be last year. So we mean 15 years last year plus this year, that is 16, and still counting. A child that is 16 years old is already, you know, is capable of pregnanting a woman, or a lady that is a girl that is 15 years can give birth. So can you imagine that? Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time, and please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe and like the video. Tell me what you think about all you've discussed so far. God bless you.